Welcome back to Saturday's Sports Special. Reggae Girls captain Khadija Bunny Shaw scored her 7th hat-trick for the national team as they blanked Antigua and Barbuda 4-0 in Group B semi-final round action of the CONCACAF Women's World Cup qualifiers at the National Stadium on Friday. Christopher Scott has our summary.
It was the Khadija Bunny Shaw show as over 2,000 fans gathered at the office in anticipation of the Reggae Girls' first match at the National Stadium since 2023. And the girls did not disappoint as they showed their dominance throughout the first half, hitting the woodwork twice in the span of 4 minutes. The Antiguan defense fought off the Jamaican attack for another 41 minutes, but a foul inside the 18-yard box presented the Reggae Girls with their best chance at goal. Captain Shaw converted the 12-yard kick to put the home team in front 1-0 in first half stoppage time. It was more of the same in the second stanza. And by more of the same, it meant that Bunny Shaw was involved as 4 minutes into the second half, she doubled her and the team's tally. And in the 55th minute, the captain popped up once again to score her 65th goal for Jamaica and her 7th hat-trick in the national colours as she made it 3-0. The score didn't change for another 36 minutes when Jamaica were presented with another opportunity from the penalty spot. With Shaw off the field, defender Denisha Blackwood stepped up and converted the Reggae Girls' 4th to remain perfect in Group B. Shaw says the goals she scores are a main part of her role as the striker of the team.
My position that I play is the team looks to me to score goals, and I try my best to do that at the top end of the pitch. Of course, it don't always go to plan, but more times than not, I try my best to help the team in whatever way. So I think tonight was just one of them nights.
Following up on the disappointment of the Reggae boys, Shaw hopes the Reggae Girls' performance can help to lift the spirits of the fans.
This is our first time playing here in a while, and we wanted to bring back joy, obviously. The boys, we wanted them to qualify for the World Cup, but situation happened. But now we're here, and we're just trying our best to do our job and to bring back smiles on the faces. We appreciate everyone for who came out to support tonight. We hope that the performance that we did tonight was pleasing, but I can guarantee that the next game will be much better.
And elated head coach Hubert Busby Jr. was satisfied with the performances of the players.
Really pleased on our leadership group, on how they pull the team through. Again, as I said the other day, best striker in the world. She plays for us, and able to kind of take us over the line, but not just that, how she led by the front. And of course, Atlanta Primus. I mean, obviously the work that she did in the middle of the pitch was unbelievable. The work of 2, 3. So just really extremely proud of the players and how they performed and, how we got there in the end.
The Reggae Girls will next be in action on Saturday, April 18 against Guyana, also at the National Stadium. Christopher Scott, TVJ Sports.